Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable marker display on SONY ZV-E10 II. To do that, we're gonna have to switch on the camera, and after that press menu button, then use the left D-pad key to navigate to the sidebar, scroll down to shooting option, select it, and after that you're gonna have to scroll down to the second page and select marker display. If you don't see it, make sure that you have the recording option selected with this toggle. Now, to enable marker display, select the first option and switch it to on. And you can also adjust the marker using center marker and aspect marker options. Now, the marker is active on our layout. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.